Menteri katnat ka kot kakhia ujem sangma udap da kajing small comment ba kakhenhon menteri kalapadang ya ka state mental health and social care policy arajar arpuar ha ka ba kajing penkre ya kani kaladon mental asis nam kinthi menteri ulong ba kalong ka bas kongsan ba kinong song snong jong Jylla ki di benyo ya kajing kot jingkhia ka bakta ya ka perkhat perdan ke jongki shu ulong ba kajing pang ka bakta ya kajing mut jing perkhat jongki pai ba kala kiu ba haba ka megalaya kala syakta ha ka khram covid khat khandai men hakis nam baladem menteri ulong ba kajing sumar na ka benda kajing pang bakta ya ka bor perkhat jongki breu ka long ka baremdor henry na kaleng ka Sorkar kan penduna ya ka bai dawai da ka ba ki nong pang ki la ban penokam da ka scheme MHIS kumjo ki jaka ajing sumar kum ka Megalaya Institute of Mental Health and Neurological Science nemem hands bat ki wei ki jaka sumar ki dan kam ha ya ka jing kesan bat jing yarap nakam.
This is very important that today the mental health policy has taken into consideration our socio-cultural background. So in a gist, this has resulted in today's cabinet passing the mental health policy, and I'm very, very grateful to all the officers and to the drafting and the sub-drafting committee for having come up with this very, very robust and very holistic state mental health care and social care policy. Now with the policy in place, with the Meghalaya mental health and social care policy, we will have many more mechanisms by which we will be able to collect both qualitative and quantitative data from the field to make our data sets much more accurate.